This is a nice way to start a video for once. Just put a fly in the water and rode maybe 20 feet. I've caught myself a wee brownie. The last video I did out in the kayak was a huge flop. No comments, not many people liked it. But I still had great fun making it. Let's get the net ready. A net. Here she is. See, wet the hand, get the fish if the fish allows you to get the fish. Whoa, calm down, I'm trying to put you back, dude. Beautiful little brownie right in the corner of the mouth. Let's get it out. And there you go. Ooh, fish number one. There we go. It's a wee bit choppy. Fishing it down. My net is caught. Right in the corner of the mouth, so get that unhooked right now and get it back in the water. Ciao. Lovely little fish. Absolutely fishing down. The fish are still biting. This is fish number 3. Nothing big still, although I did see something very big jump earlier. Right in the corner of the mouth again. Managed to get my net sorted from last time. Oh, good. You are dark. Wet the hands. And there we go. Don't know if you guys can see, the screen looks absolutely soaking. There we go, chaps. Right in the corner of the mouth. Let's get it back in the water. Got that fish back in the water. The rain is easing off a wee bit. Let's keep the midges away. So I put on quite a large fly, thinking, oh, the larger fish will go for it. I'll stop catching all the wee ones. And this fish is probably going to be about the size of the fly. Oh, a wee bit bigger than the rest. Look at the size of the fly it's taken, look. Huge. Let's get it back in. You might not look on the old telly box or the mobile or the tablet when you're sitting on the bog. It's actually very choppy now. Very choppy. Wind's back up again. In my face. Nice to catch a fish that just pull me around for half an hour. Give my arms a break, you know. Something went for it there. Just screamed the reel. It's halfway through singing the fish song. You'll remember it. Fish fingers, thou shall have a fishy. On a little dishy, thou shalt have a fishy. When the boat comes in, that one, halfway through singing the fish song, the real screams. That was a good impression, wasn't it? And yeah, the hook didn't set, so no fishy on the dishy. What I do have is dead arms. Oh, they are dead. I'm trying to stay in the really deep part of this loch. Here people like, have you seen that loch? Loch. It's got the on the end of it. Okay, CN2, hopefully we get a steamboat of a fish. I'm leaving in 20 minutes. Scooby-Doo. So I'm here taking this in, and then I hear a rumble. I hope you're liking the sound effects tonight. And then a flash in the sky. And I don't have any clean underwear with me, and I almost shot my pants. Ugh. Let's go. Now I am holding this big old metal pole. There he is, go, yous are clean, you filthy animals. And I do have a carbon fibre rod right behind me too. So, this could be fun. For you guys, not for me. I hope yous are all singing a fishy song for me. All together now. I don't know how people can do this, you know, the ones that are lost out at sea for months. I've been having some right old conversations with myself. Whoa, whoa! Jeez, so that's a horror fish, boys. Here, yous were singing on song, eh? Thou shalt have a fish. Ah, this is just wee, but it took it like a champ, eh? Rocky Balboa. It's the Rocky Balboa the fish. You see it? You hear it? See, told you. Good impressions, boys. Good impressions. Oh, it's kind of pulling me off to the right, mind you. Maybe it weighs more than 6 ounces. Come on now, Chief. Oh, where are you going, Chief? Oh, 5.5 ounces of you. Come on now, Chieftain. Chieftain of Cockermouth. So you try telling your friends, oh, here, I can feel you bouncing underneath me, chap. No, that's never a good sign. Some kids getting a hiding. You hear them. Oh, that's a wee better. Oh, ho, ho, Chieftain. Here she goes, boys. Come on now. Come on, all 6 ounces of you. If you were a... Now, I'm not one for promising big things and not following through. But come on. All that screaming for something this size. That's what she said. Let's get it back in the water. Well, ladies and gents, weather's taken a bit of a turn for the worse. I caught that lovely fish. Oh, here, please don't hit me with lightning. This would not be fun. I am wetter than an otter's pocket. And if you don't know what that means, don't ask your mum and dad. Woohoo, boy! If this was the bake-off, I'd be having a soggy bottom. Because my arse is drenched. Probably going to give it a couple of minutes, guys, get in, because I cannot see this rain passing anytime soon. And I am absolutely drenched. Maybe see in 2, 4, 2. There we go, Scooby-Doo. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm done. No more filming. I've arrived home. My wee housey. Anybody fancies a cup of tea? Bit of cake? Tiny wee house there. I'm going to thank you all for joining me again. It's not going to be a very long video, but the last one was 22 minutes long and it was a flop. This one might be a flop too. And if it is, then we all have something in common. Think of that as you shall. If anybody fancies coming fishing, my Instagram is Tom the Highland Explorer. Send me a wee message. I will take anybody out. My TikTok is Thomas23066, I think. Or Highland Tom. You might find me under Highland Tom. I'm going to go. Thank you all for joining me. And if you see this, then I made it home. 3, 2, 1, Scooby-Doo!